Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nico. Sorry for me not making videos in a while. I've been tied up with a bunch of shit. Um, so sorry about that. So today I'm gonna do a bike check for you guys, even though I don't have any bike videos up. But I'm gonna start off with my bike check, and then I'm gonna go work my way up and doing bike videos. Alright, so today I got a '09 Eastern Trail Digger. I think it's a limited edition. That's what the kid that I bought it off of said. Alright, so I'm going to work my way from the front to the back. Alright, so as you can see, I'm running white Sunday bars. I'm 6'1", 6'2". I'm up there. I know I'm tall. I think I'm like 6'1", 6'1" and a half. I think that's what the doctor said. I don't even remember. So I got the Sunday bars, white bars, stock, Eastern stem, Cane Creek headset. Got the NIF beanie sticker. Come on, always gotta have that NIF beanie. Got stock, well, not stock, my bad. Sunday white forks, and I got a Joe Dirt tire with a stock rim, stock hub. The tire's 20 by 2.25 up front, and then I went over the frame, Eastern purple, matte purple Eastern with white bars. I got Harrow pedals, white, as you can see. Probably gonna switch over to Twisted PCs, purple Twisted PCs. I mean, I like these Harrows. They've been standing up to a lot of abuse and everything, as you can see. I got stock crank arms, stock sprocket. They were black. Sanded them all down on both sides. Sanded them down, and I painted them. As you can see in the video, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but there's like some imperfections in it, like right here. That's from, yeah, that's from just riding constantly. So last night I had to take a wire brush and sand it down, or get all that nasty shit off of it. Sanded it down, and I painted it last night again. So yeah, that's that. Regular plain old chain. Probably gonna switch over to a half-link chain, or purple half-link chain, just because I like half-link chains. A Harrow or Eastern, plain old Eastern seat, plastic seat with stock, all that shit. You could see the bolt in the thing, but I went to go take the bolt out because I was moving it around. I took the bolt out, loosened it up, and I slid this all the way down so I can get my high hops, and the bolt snapped in half. So yeah, that kind of just wiggles around and moves all over the place when I ride, but I really don't give a shit. I'm probably gonna buy a C clamp for it. Harrow tire, it's 20 by 2.0, I think. Yeah, it's 2.0 in the back. No, wait, no, I lied. I'm reading it upside down and I can't see it. Yeah, 20 by 2.0. I was right. Huh. With the stock rim and cassette hub. Yeah, so I'll it was a lot louder than that. I had the bearing, it was all crunchy and nasty sounding. So I took everything apart from the back wheel. I took the hub apart, and I had to rebuild the bearings. The little balls. Oh yeah, say hi to my pit bull, Red Nose. You're kind of standing in the way, dude. Look at him. Now get out of here. All right, cool. So back to what I was saying. The bearings aren't sealed bearings. They're regular, plain old bearings, I guess you would call them. Unsealed, I don't know. And one of the balls fell out, I guess, when I was moving something around, and it was really bad sound, and it kept on locking up. It was really bad. So I took the back hub apart, the cassette hub, and I'm gonna go take it apart, and just all the balls on both sides just fell out. It was really nasty and not good. So what I did was I put it back together, and I guess in the process of putting it back together, it took the cassette hub sound and made it quiet, which, I mean, it's cool, it's good and bad at the same time. Like, I like loud stuff. I'm not really an attention drawer. I just like, for some reason I like my cassette hubs loud. But I might switch over to a free coaster, a white Alien Nation free coaster. It makes free coasters just make fakies a lot easier. And they're silent. They're dead silent. The dog is back again. Yeah, dude. Just get in my way. It's cool. But what I'm gonna do is probably purple chain, purple pedals. I'm gonna go in the back. I'm going purple. Purple rim with a white free coaster or a white cassette hub, whatever I decide on buying. And up front, I'm gonna go white rim with purple hub, and probably gonna do white and purple wow. Jesus, I was just saying it. Wow. Sorry, YouTube. I'm just not all there today. What are they called? Spokes. Sorry. Purple and white spokes on both things. And then I'm probably gonna do a purple. Or no, I don't know what I'm gonna do for that. For the headset, or yeah, headset and stem. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see any how-tos or anything like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. Obviously, my bars are naked. They ain't got no grips on them. I ordered grips 5 days ago from ODI. Not trying to bag on ODI, but it said in 4 days, and actually I ordered them. I ordered them last week sometime last week. I think it was like Thursday or Friday. I think it was Thursday, and it said 4 days, and it hasn't come yet, and it's Thursday of the following week. So yeah, I mean, ODIs. I've ridden a bunch of ODIs. When I used to scooter, I've ridden a bunch of scooters with ODI grips. They're awesome. They're comfortable. I love them. I've ridden a couple of bikes with ODIs, and they're really comfortable. But I'll do an unboxing of my ODIs when I get them. They should hopefully be coming in today, because I got an email 2 days ago saying that they were shipped. Actually, no, I got an email Monday saying that they were shipped. And yeah, so I'm just kind of waiting on my grips so I can go ride again. My bars, you could see they're not brand new. They got some chips and everything. The kid that owned them before me didn't have bar ends. and yeah, kind of chipped out the bars. The forks are a little chipped. The frame's got a dent in it, but you know, whatever. I mean, as long as I can ride, I'm happy. I know this is random and out of nowhere, but I got a car. I got a Acura '96 Acura Integra that I'm doing a bunch of shit to. If you guys want to see that, give me a thumbs up and leave it in the comments. If you want to see, like I said, if you want to see anything else on bikes, how-tos, riding videos, just let me know. I usually ride by myself, but I'll probably hang out with my buddy, a good friend of mine, that'll videotape me riding, or I'll go and hang out with another couple of good buddies of mine that ride. They've been riding longer than me. I mean, I just got back into biking like a month ago. I missed it, and I mean, I'm rusty, but I'm getting all my shit back. So comment below on what like rims and tires and shit I should get, and if I should get a cassette hub or a free coaster. Yeah, and just comment on whatever else you guys want to see. Alright guys, take it easy. If it's easy, take it twice. Later guys.